Hi, I'm Kris Sylvester from Brown Harris Stevens. This past year has helped us New Yorkers focus on what's really important, and what stands out the most is outdoor space. Luckily, that's something I can help you with. Come on in and I'll show you what I mean. Welcome to 1139 Prospect Avenue, Apartment 4H. This 2-bedroom Windsor Terrace beauty is located just a stone's throw away from Prospect Park. The oversized bay windows in the spacious living and dining area perfectly overlook a quiet tree-lined street. Step into the open-plan kitchen and you will find stainless steel appliances and lots of space for dining. Just off the living area, you will find a separate room that can easily be used as a bedroom, nursery, or home office. Travel up the spiral staircase and into a sizable bedroom equipped with custom closets. Sliding doors off the bedroom lead to a private rooftop terrace with open views and is the perfect space for relaxing, grilling, or entertaining guests. At Prospect Park Mews, you will enjoy a pet-friendly building with a community garden, roof deck, and convenient laundry in the basement. Parking is also available, subject to a small waitlist. With private outdoor space and low monthlies, this spacious duplex apartment definitely won't last. Give me a call and let me help you find the space you need. I'm Kris Sylvester from Brown Harris Stevens.